With more and more hot-headed technologists graduating from higher institutions each year, the world of invention can only climax at a frighteningly amazing speed. There are insinuations that each new inventor hopes to outdo the former, leading to an even more competitive tech market worldwide, from Meta to Tesla super sleek electronic vehicles, and of course, not leaving Chinese manufacturers out of the picture. In this video, let's take a look at 8 innovative inventions that will change your perception of what's possible, developed by the tech-savvy civilizations of our time. One. Flowstop. Flowstop is a 115 mm hemostat clamp used to stop fluid flow in dialysis, IVs, infusions, and any tube that needs clamped. It is built of special materials that make it stronger and more lasting than most coker clamps. It is intended for maximum functionality and longevity and eliminates the need for a coker clamp. The Flowstop is ideal for blood units, dialysis, IV sets, feeding tubes, and catheter removal without damaging the catheter. Flowstop comprises a one-of-a-kind high-quality plastic with a smooth finish that effectively blocks tubing without destroying it. The lock features many precision ratchets that deliver accurate pressure as needed. The 4.5-inch tablet weighs 11 g and costs approximately $7. 2. Autofuel. Our cars are refueled like they have been for the previous 70 years with no significant changes. Autofuel ensures that the technology at your local gas station is as advanced as the one you arrive in. Upon registering for the Autofuel system, the customer will enter vehicle information such as model, fuel type, payment information, and license plate. The license plate is used to identify the vehicle and customer information when they arrive at the petrol station. Most customers will receive a unique gas tank cap for their car's fuel inlet, but certain new automobiles already have this cap installed by the manufacturer. During this time, technology has advanced faster than ever, and we now have fast internet, cell phones, AI assistants, and self-driving cars that will soon be on the roads. Petroleum stations with robotic refilling can provide exceptional convenience for today's customers and future mobility. This robotic refueling is convenient at its finest. It saves the customer time. While the automobile is being refueled, take a little break in the car or head to the shop for a coffee. Manual refueling necessitates the driver's attention or direct engagement for at least the duration of the refueling process. The driver is relieved of the refueling chore and given greater freedom with Autofuel robotic refueling. When the price officially leaks out for a sophisticated accessory like Autofuel, expect nothing less than $250. 3. Omnifibre. Omnifibre is a technique that could be utilized to make training clothes. Artificial muscle fibers are not a novel concept. Various MIT research teams have approached the subject uniquely. They've developed a smart fiber that detects and responds to its wearer's movement. The soft, robotic fabric dubbed Omnifibre has a hollow core channel that allows a fluidic medium to pass through it. Compressed air allows the fibers to bend, stretch, coil, and pulse on demand. What distinguishes Omnifibre is that it does not require heat to change shape. Textile manufacture may be one of the oldest technologies known to humanity, but adapting the advances of the computer age to our clothing has yet to be straightforward. Yes, attempts like Google's Project Jacquard have tried to bring clothing into the modern day, but they have yet to be particularly effective. Omnifibre unfigurable fiber technology based on thin fluidic fiber actuators with closed-loop strain control for movement-based interactions. The researchers investigate how designers might use artificial muscle-based devices' thinness and sensory capabilities to seamlessly weave them into common, tangible interactions, such as haptics-mediated skills teaching or actuated tangibles for remote interpersonal communication. 4. ARCA EcoRocket. The primary hardware project that ARCA is currently working on is called EcoRocket. Cost-effectiveness and environmental friendliness are the two key aspects of the rocket's development. Based on the environmentally friendly, incredibly cost-effective launch assist system technology, the EcoRocket program was launched in 2020. The entire vehicle is constructed of composite materials. The EcoRocket's first 2 stages are propelled by reusable, environmentally friendly water-based technology. This technology contrasts present rocket engines which emit toxic, carcinogenic, and damaging substances into the atmosphere. In a pump feed system, the fuel is pushed into the engine by a pump powered by a turbine that takes just a small portion of the rocket's fuel to spin, or by high-power electric engines. At the same time, the pressure stored in additional high-pressure tank forces the fuel into the engine in the pressure feed system. 5. Ridgeblade. An inventive, user-friendly, and efficient approach to capturing wind power to generate electricity is the Ridgeblade registered trademark wind turbine. The Ridgeblade registered trademark overcomes many issues with solar PV and conventional wind turbines by adopting a completely new design philosophy. The Ridgeblade registered trademark captures and concentrates the prevailing wind by utilizing the sloped roof's existing surface area and the Aeolian wind focus effect. Ridgeblade registered trademark distributes and installs all of our turbine systems through a network of accredited partners. Locate the authorized partner closest to you or learn how to join our network. You have yet to learn about a different version of this innovative technology, the RB1. It has been designed to generate electricity in various wind conditions, including low wind speeds, with the least visual impact possible. This variant is the smaller domestic version of the Ridgeblade registered trademark, ideal for the majority of installation settings, including suburban homes and environmentally delicate areas like national parks. 6. Guardbot. The future of mobile spying may be this. The surveillance robot Guardbot can roll on any surface, including sand, snow, and dirt. This surveillance robot can move on any surface and even swim. The device is available in various sizes, with models ranging in diameter from 5 inches to 7 feet. The gadget has 2 cameras, microphones, GPS, and other features that enable remote or satellite control. The military could potentially use Guardbot in upcoming operations. As one of the world's only truly amphibious robots, Guardbot is capable of supporting a wide range of applications in security, broadcasting for live video action streaming, and missions. Guardbot accelerates and decelerates quickly and smoothly on land, while amphibious movement is consistent. Guardbot can be integrated with a great variety of sensors, cameras, communication, and navigation subsystems and processing equipment, allowing Guardbot to operate in many missions. For broadcasting applications, the Guardbot robotic vehicle system can image land, snow, water, and can be used to operate in multi-venue sportscasting, including golf, swimming, and soccer games. A flexible, reliable content acquisition tool that can capture imagery and sound from land and water and back again. Although Guardbot is still in development, its price upon release could reach $100,000. 7. Petit Pli ever-worn clothing that grows on you? Let's introduce you to Petit Pli, creating textiles with versatile functionality for your excursions on 2 feet. This distinguished children's clothing protects against rips, wetness, and random growth spurts. From 4 to 9 years old, it fits. Petit Pli's adaptable carriers are built to expand with you when preparing for missions requiring a little more gear, ensuring that you never leave a basic essential behind. The adult clothing line by Petit Pli honors the marks that life has left on the human body. Designs on the clothing expand to trace the face and body using a patented growth technique, supporting the body's ability to transform, especially during pregnancy. An edit made of restored, unreleased, and old designs and frequently updated while remaining silent. Observe this space from creating global firsts in material innovation to simulating ice dispersion on the moon. 8. Lidr with a focus on forestry applications. Lidr is an R package for editing and visualizing data from aerial laser scanning, ALS. The package is open source and incorporated with the geospatial R ecosystem, that is raster/terra/stars and SPSF. This manual is intended to assist ALS beginners and seasoned point cloud processing professionals. It can read and display a loss file. In R fashion style, the function plot, based on RGL, enables the user to display, rotate, and zoom a point cloud. Because RGL has limited capabilities with respect to large data sets, there's also a package Lidr viewer with better display capabilities. The ability to read and write ALS and ALAS files, as well as producing customizable point cloud displays, are among Lidr's key features. It can handle point clouds and conduct individual tree segmentation, point classification, normalization, and digital surface models. A LAS catalog, or collection of point cloud files, is processed via the Lidr interface. Lidr has several algorithms from the literature to compute canopy height models, either point to raster based or triangulation based. This allows testing and comparison of some methods that rely on a CHM, such as individual tree segmentation or the computation of a canopy roughness index. With that, we wrap up this video. However, what do you think about these innovative gizmos and technologies? We want your thoughts about this in the comments section below. Also, feel free to like our video, subscribe to this channel, and flip the notification bell on for more videos like this.